Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's talk some crypto. Let's look into HBAR right now on the charts because we've seen a lot of buying, and that's where we talk about a breakout for HBAR potentially happening. I want to break down the numbers and get you guys into the weekend with a better understanding of where HBAR is headed. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, we do talk all of your favorite cryptos, including HBAR, each and every single day. So make sure you all hit that like button and please subscribe down below to the channel. Okay, but we will kind of turn our attention to what we're seeing here in the top 100. Looking at the bubbles, another green day with the government shutdown looming in the United States and kind of the uncertainty within the crypto world. It is worthy to talk about Bitcoin now back over 120,000. Ethereum's pushing 4,500, and for HBAR, we have kind of settled in essentially flat for a daily look at the 22 cents level that we are at right now currently. So let's get into the trading view and talk about kind of what we're looking at. Always remember, guys, not financial advice. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence. But over the last little time frame here, and I will go to the daily candle so you guys can see a little bit better. So let's zoom in on that. And we're looking at that basically falling wedge that has been ongoing, and we are still below that support line at around 23 cents. And every time we do that, we see rejection for breakouts above the 28 cents level, but we have bounced back above the support of 23 cents quite a lot. So anytime we do get below this blue line, this trending line that we are looking at, for me, that's kind of when I've been looking to potentially add to my HBAR portfolio, but not so much because of the fact that we were buying at 4, 5, and 6 cents. So that's left us pretty much into the green zone and pretty much house money. So that's how I've been playing HBAR for me personally. And just looking at kind of the outlook for it, that's what we're going to be talking here in this video. Okay, before we dive deeper, I want to share with you guys, if you aren't using BITUNIX to trade, I do have a link down below. If you are a futures trader and you trade on leverage, 25% bonus to your futures trading account. Use my link. This is one where you want to make sure you read their terms and conditions, all that good stuff, and do your research, due diligence before trading any type of crypto or making any financial decisions. But if you want to trade with me on BITUNIX, there is a link down below in the description. All right. But that's where we're looking at that 12% bounce. Now, talking about a 12% bounce from where we're at right here, right now, essentially flat on the day, that would put us roughly back to the sub 30 cents level. And that would be kind of right below it, as we would be trading around 29 cents on the charts. So let's talk about it. Let's see what it's all about, because the whale buying is now meeting the channel breakout hopes, as we have kind of looked at a few signals that need to be talked about, and the whale trends are definitely one of them. I talk about follow the whales, follow the money. That's pretty much been the mantra for my trading career. Anytime that you think that you shouldn't be buying, or that the market's bad, and you see whales buying, you kind of have to tip your hand. They're tipping their hand to what they know and where the hopes of the market is going. Okay, the whales holding over 10 million to 100 million HBAR tokens. We've seen this accumulation surmount since the late part of September, and now that we've seen the large wallets that do hold over 10 million HBAR, they've seen 6 more of those wallets increase. Now with those wallets holding over 100 million tokens, I'm sorry, it's been about 8 wallets that have kind of accumulated that in that short period of time. So just over 828 million HBAR in just last week alone. That's an injection of about $186 million at the current price levels. And as we do look for why this is happening, well, we're seeing a little bit of a crossover here, as the 4-hour chart kind of backs it up, as the 20 and the 100 EMA, we have seen the formation start to happen within a golden crossover. You can see that right now, basically, as we've looked at these starting to converge on one another. And that's about right where we are at right here in present day. Okay, so if this does take place over the weekend, the bullish momentum does continue, and we do see a wave of green. That's kind of where we look for that 12% surge potentially happening within a little reversal, as we do look to cross back over into that support, above that support, that floor that we have established. Now, both of the technicals and also the whale accumulation are hinting at a bounce, and that 12%, as we do look at a lot of the Fibonacci levels in these trading zones, that's where you could see HBAR breaking through 23, 24.5, 25.2, and then ultimately about 25.7, I think, is kind of where the comeback would be for HBAR as we do get deeper into October. A lot of people do refer to this month as Uptober, but we'll see if we get a rally ensuing, and just maybe a little short bounce. Even so, I do think that that is something where, as we are looming around a golden crossover here on the chart starting to form, it would not shock me if we absolutely destroyed that 23 cents level in the short term, and then hopes of getting upwards of that 28, 29 cents territory as we do look to reclaim 12% amidst all of this buying activity from the whales as well. Okay, so that's where I'm at. That is my thought leading into the weekend. Leave a comment down below. How are you playing your HBAR? Do you think we will see a bounce? And if we do, will we get back up to approximately that 30 cents territory, or at least slightly below it? Okay, it's acted as a pretty significant psychological barrier. We've failed, and we've had rejection at 30 cents. But as it stands today, the numbers are good, the chart looks good, technicals are good, and the broader crypto market is also performing in a very good direction as well. So I'll leave you guys with that. Appreciate you tuning in for a couple minutes of your time. Before you get out of this video, make sure you all hit that like button, subscribe down below, and also I talked about my socials, X. If you don't follow me on there, there's a link down below in the description, and BITUNIX if you want to start trading on that platform. Sign up today using the link down below. All right. Thank you all once again. See you all tomorrow. Cheers.